हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फार्माटेक कॉम्पिटिटिव। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे 30 एमसीक्यूज बेस्ड ऑन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम इन ह्यूमंस। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये एमसीक्यूज आपके लिए एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज है। सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें। सो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। In human females, which one of the following is incorrect? Option 1, menstruation takes 4 days. Option 2, menstrual cycle takes 28 days. Option 3, menopause occur at an age of 45 to 55 years. Option 4, the ovulated egg released during pregnancy die. The correct answer is option 4, the ovulated eggs released during pregnancy die. Cessation of menstrual cycle is termed as option 1, menarche. Option 2, menopause. Option 3, impotency. Option 4, puberty. The correct answer is option 2, menopause. After menopause, there is rise in urinary excretion of option 1, FSH. Option 2, STH. Option 3, oxytocin. Option 4, estrogen. The correct answer is option 1, FSH. Estrous cycle is characteristic of option 1, all mammals. Option 2, human females. Option 3, mammalian females. Option 4, non-primate mammalian females. The correct answer is option 4, non-primate mammalian females. Estrous period is an indication of option 1, pregnancy. Option 2, breeding period. Option 3, menopause. Option 4, estrogen secretion. The correct answer is option 2, breeding period. Which one of the following are supposed to be immortal? Option 1, brain cells. Option 2, germ cells. Option 3, pituitary cells. Option 4, all of these. The correct answer is option 2, germ cells. Which type of cell division occurs in the gonads? Option 1, mitosis only. Option 2, meiosis only. Option 3, amitosis and meiosis. Option 4, both mitosis and meiosis. The correct answer is option 4, both mitosis and meiosis. If the germ cell in female gonad and germ cell in male gonad begin undergoing meiosis simultaneously, what will be the ratio of ova and sperms produced? Option 1, 1:1. Option 2, 1:2. Option 3, 1:4. Option 4, 2:1. The correct answer is option 3, 1:4. By which cell division spermatogonia are formed? Option 1, mitosis. Option 2, amitosis. Option 3, meiosis. Option 4, meiosis 2. The correct answer is option 1, mitosis. Spermatogenesis are mainly promoted by option 1, FSH. Option 2, MSH. Option 3, ACTH. Option 4, none of the above. The correct answer is option 1, FSH. Correct sequence of cell stages in spermatogenesis is option 1, spermatocytes, spermatids, spermatogonia, spermatozoa. Option 2, spermatogonia, spermatocytes, spermatid, spermatozoa. Option 3, spermatocytes, spermatogonia, spermatids, spermatozoa. Option 4, spermatogonia, spermatids, spermatocytes, spermatozoa. The correct answer is option 2, spermatogonia, spermatocytes, spermatid, spermatozoa. In spermatogenesis, the phase of maturation involves option 1, the growth of spermatogonia into primary spermatocyte, option 2, formation of spermatogonia from gonocyte through mitosis, option 3, the formation of spermatid from primary spermatocyte through meiosis, option 4, the formation of spermatogonia from the spermatocyte through meiosis. The correct answer is option 3, the formation of spermatid from primary spermatocyte through meiosis. Which of the following pairs is diploid? Option 1, spermatid and sperm, option 2, spermatogonia and spermatid, option 3, primary and secondary spermatocyte, option 4, spermatogonia and primary spermatocyte. The correct answer is option 4, spermatogonia and primary spermatocyte. Which of the following are haploid in nature? Spermatids, spermatogonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte. Option 1, 1 and 2 are correct. Option 2, 1 and 4 are correct. Option 3, 2 and 4 is correct. Option 4, 1, 2, 3 are correct. The correct answer is option 2, 1 and 4 are correct. Number of spermatozoa produced by a single secondary spermatocyte during spermatogenesis is option 1, 1, option 2, 2, option 3, 4, option 4, 8. The correct answer is option 2, 2. These sperms formed from 4 primary spermatocytes are option 1, 1, option 2, 4, option 3, 16, option 4, 32. The correct answer is option 3, 16. How many secondary spermatocytes are required to form 400 spermatozoa? Option 1, 40, option 2, 100, option 3, 200, option D, 400. The correct answer is option 3, 200. Conversion of spermatid to a spermatozoa is called as option 1, cytokinesis, option 2, vitellogenesis, option 3, spermiogenesis, option 4, spermatogenesis. The correct answer is option 3, spermiogenesis. The actual genetic part of sperm is option 1, tail, option 2, head, option 3, acrosome, option 4, middle piece. The correct answer is option 2, head. Acrosome is found in the sperm at the option 1, tail, option 2, neck, option 3, top of the head, option 4, middle piece. The correct answer is option 3, top of the head. Acrosome of a sperm is formed from option 1, nucleus of spermatid, option 2, centrosome of a spermatid, option 3, mitochondria of spermatid, option 4, Golgi complex of spermatid. The correct answer is option 4, Golgi complex of spermatid. The formation of the acrosome, option 1, involves mitotic activity. Option 2 occurs in the epidermis. Option 3 involves meiotic divisions. Option 4 involves the maturation of lytic enzymes. The correct answer is option 4 involves the maturation of lytic enzymes. The lytic enzyme released by a sperm which facilitates penetration of egg by spermatozoa is option 1 ligase, option 2 acrosome, option 3 fertilizing, option 4 hyaluronidase. The correct answer is option 4 hyaluronidase. How many centrioles are normally present in a sperm? Option 1 1, option 2 2, option 3 many, option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option 2 2. Which organelle is absent in human sperm? Option 1 endoplasmic reticulum, option 2 nucleus, option 3 centriole, option 4 mitochondria. The correct answer is option 1 endoplasmic reticulum, ER. Middle piece of sperm contains option 1 mitochondria and Golgi body, option 2 centriole and Golgi body, option 3 axial filament and Golgi body, option 4 mitochondria and axial filament. The correct answer is option 4 mitochondria and axial filament. Which of the following represent a condition where motility of sperm is highly reduced? Option 1 polyspermy, option 2 azoospermia, option 3 oligospermia, option 4 asthenospermia. The correct answer is option 4 asthenospermia. During oogenesis, each diploid cell produces option 1 4 functional cells, option 2 4 non-functional polar bodies, option 3 1 functional egg and 3 polar bodies, option 4 2 functional eggs and 2 polar bodies. The correct answer is option 3 1 functional egg and 3 polar bodies. Ogonium is option 1 haploid, option 2 diploid, option 3 triploid, option 4 euploid. The correct answer is option 2 diploid. The number of chromosomes in a mature gamete get half during option 1 meiosis 2, option 2 formation of first polar body, option 3 formation of second polar body, option 4 division of secondary oocyte and secondary spermatocyte. The correct answer is option 2 formation of first polar body.